Last September 9th, I did a video blog saying email is here to stay. Dial forward 7 months, and I want to seriously alter that point of view, or trash it entirely. Yes, I still use email, but considerably less so as my messaging habits have changed dramatically. I message in whatever app I happen to be using at the time. In Facebook, I use Facebook messaging. I have conversations in Twitter. When I play Words with Friends, I trash talk my opponent in its chat feature. I often text my kids from my smartphone. If I need a quick response from my son when I'm sitting at my desk, I use the chat function in Gmail. Email is simply not flexible or lightweight enough to use with everybody for everything. Many short messages don't need to be saved and require a quick answer. Brevity is the way of the messaging world now. What's more, most texting or chat apps do not have to be managed beyond an occasional erase all. Much of what we communicate requires an in-the-moment 1 to 10 word response. I see you coming. I'm standing at the corner of Hollywood and Vine. You get my drift. I used to think we needed this single repository for all our messages, but have come to realize the opposite is the case. The many messaging mediums reflect the myriad ways and reasons why we communicate. We message from wherever we are and in whatever app we happen to be using. Messaging is now a standard app feature. I mean, let's face it, an email inbox is a magnet for the endless amounts of, pardon the expression, crap. And it takes time to get rid of it all, especially if you're selective. I mean, I delete vast tracts of it at a time. Some email users have resorted to giving permission to an email before it enters their inbox. All that stuff is hard to manage in a time sink. As a CIO, you have to figure out what this means for your massive email system, governance, and generally the rules of your industry. We talk a lot about bring your own device. Well, the implications of BYOD are more about what you do with the device than the device itself. And messaging is taking full advantage of that device flexibility. Messaging has become as easy as talking to the person you're passing in the hallway. I'm John Dodge, Community Manager of the Enterprise CIO Forum. Thanks for watching. See you again.